telling the secrets of Tom. But thank God, you know, I needed a break. They're just too much. It's all napkins and seating arrangements. And then Tom sets in, you know. It is like he has never been in love before, because he goes on and on about Bennett. Bennett, Bennett, Bennett. Just, you know, give me a beer and let me clear my head. Oh, I shouldn't have said anything. Oh, I didn't mean to say anything.
No worries, Margaret. It's all right. Bennett's the one Officer Garage could like.
Boris, I like the sound of your name.
Let's go some.
Let's go to the orchard.
You're bad, but I'm better. Come on, I got an idea.
Where are we going?
Sheriff's bedroom.
Oh.
I want to see the open before you.
Oh, you are so bad.